Have you tried this? The king of eggs, the eggs Benedict. A perfect Sunday dish or any other day. Ingredients are 1 yolk, 30 ml melted butter. Take a double boiler, whisk the egg in a bowl, add the melted butter. See that you don't keep it on a double boiler for a long time because the melted butter so is hot, as well as with the flame the egg yolk must not get overcooked. So we'll throw it aside and keep it on a hard surface, cool place, and again continue to whisk it. Add butter. Basically this is the hollandaise sauce. It's a hot emulsion sauce. We gently add some more butter to it and again whisk it. So it's trying to get thicker and thicker as you go on incorporating the egg. Continue whisking it for another 5 minutes more. You see it start becoming more thick. Now put the remaining melted butter and again whisk it. You tend to see now it's becoming a much thicker, a very smooth and thick. At this stage you could add a very less amount of salt and black pepper powder. My butter contains already salt, this is why I am adding very less amount. You could check the seasoning, the tasting. Add thick butter in a saucepan, add spinach, add salt, add black pepper powder to it, and give it a nice toss. Now you could add some roasted potatoes. The roasted potatoes, how to make it, you'll get it on my previous videos. Roasted potatoes, spinach goes very well with the Benedict. You can add bacon, chicken ham, pork ham. It goes perfectly well in. Traditionally, the Benedict base is made of brioche bun, but I'm using a burger bun in this. Just cut into half and use it. Nicely butter it and toast it well so that it becomes nice and brown, so that when the egg goes on it, it doesn't soak the egg, it holds the egg basically. See, we are gently getting the color of it. Take a clean wrap, apply oil to it completely, take it a bowl, put it inside a bowl, break in an egg in another bowl, and you could add on this. Traditionally, egg is poached directly in hot water and vinegar is added to it. This is the easiest method of making the poached egg. Take a string and tie it in a pouch way and dip it into hot water. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes to get it cooked. So gently keep on turning it. Here, when you had added the poached egg in the water, that time only you could add the sauteed spinach and potato, what I had shown you earlier. So it is nice and warm. Now start the plating, keep it in corners. Now add the bread. Make a hole, slide a hole with the help of a spoon in the center of the bread so that it holds the poached egg. When you put on top of it, doesn't falls off. The most debatable question about the Benedict is the poached egg, whether it should be runny, whether it should be hard. Generally, it is semi-runny. This is the most debatable question for an egg. At this stage, we'll add 1 teaspoon of hot water to your bechamel sauce because it become thick. Add just 1 teaspoon of hot water. Mix it well, and now we'll pour it on top. You could just finish it off with some paprika powder or red chili powder on top. That's it. There you go. Your perfectly cooked egg.